Castor Oil Anti-Wrinkle Steam Treatment. Do you want to know a secret? Wrinkle treatments do not have to break the bank, and there are ways to take care of your skin without spending excessive money. Stop overtreating and overspending if you spend hundreds of dollars on anti-wrinkle creams. The most effective wrinkle routines are minimal, and you should use as few products as possible. Downsizing your regimen will save you money, and it is better for your skin. The essential thing in your routine is giving special treatment to your skin through moisture. This is necessary as moisturizing prevents wrinkles from forming. Castor oil is a natural moisturizer that retains moisture by preventing water loss through the outer layer of the skin. It acts as a humectant, which means that in addition to providing moisture to the skin, it also draws moisture from the air to hydrate the skin. Also, it contains ricinoleic acid, which is a fatty acid. That means castor oil gives the skin a look of smoothness when applied to the skin. Moreover, castor oil is an antioxidant, which means it helps protect the skin from environmental stressors that harm it. The fatty acids in castor oil will help keep skin healthy, which, in turn, helps keep skin tone even. In short, castor oil's ability to hydrate the skin helps prolong a more youthful appearance as it nurtures and moisturizes the skin. To take advantage of these beautiful properties, do a steam treatment with castor oil. How to do it? For this treatment, you will need castor oil and a towel. Put castor oil on your face and neck, 5 drops or more is needed. Spread the oil evenly and massage for a while. Put the towel under the hot water from the faucet. Allow the towel to soak for about 2 minutes, then squeeze it to eliminate the excess water. Tilt your head back and place the towel on the face and neck. When the towel starts to cool, wipe your face with this towel. It will remove any debris that may have accumulated over the day. Repeat the whole process 2 more times. After finishing the 3rd round of your steam treatment, pat gently 2 to 4 castor oil drops on your face. Next, splash your face with warm water, which helps lock the oil into your skin. Wait 10 minutes for the oil to penetrate the deeper skin layers. Then soak the towel in hot water, wring it out, and wipe your face from any of the excess oil. This steam treatment will leave your skin smooth and supple. Deeply nourishes and plumps your skin, eliminating and preventing wrinkles. It also stimulates collagen and elastin production, softening and hydrating skin. The added bonus? Better night's sleep. Castor oil has been known as a natural sleep aid. On a side note, using pure castor oil may irritate some people's skin, so before this treatment, try testing it on a small area to see how your skin tolerates castor oil before applying it to larger areas. Also, in this case, it is best to dilute it with another oil, like jojoba or coconut oil. One more note. The castor oil is thick and leaves a residue on the towels you use for the treatment, therefore, wash them separately. Put baking soda in the washing machine to help remove the oil residue and soften the towels.